Welcome to Year 5, Lesson 4, Extensive Exercises. This is question 1. 3 people, A, B, and C, have a total of £200. Given that the ratio of A's total to B's total is 4 to 3, so we've got the ratio of A to B, which is equal to 4 to 3. For every single 4 parts of A, we have 3 parts of B. And A has £20 more than C. So what we know here is that C has £20 less than A. And we already know that A has 4 parts for B's 3 parts. So you could imagine that C has £20 less than 4 parts. If I was to use line segments to represent the parts of these ratios, we can represent A and B quite easily from the ratio. So here I'm using a line segment to represent each part, which we've not worked out the value yet. B would represent 3 parts, 1, 2, 3. And C, we can compare it to A. So it would be something very close to 4 parts, 3, 4, except suddenly for this last part, I'm going to mark that it's £20 less than the 4 parts. Now in total, we already know that we've got £200 for all of those things. So if we want to treat this as a parts problem, we need to have a whole number of parts. At the moment, we've got 7 plus this strange amount of parts for C. So if we treat that last bit with the 20 less, and we complete that, we treat it as a whole number of parts, then in total, I would get rid of that 20 and I would have an extra 20 in my total. So now we can imagine that we've got a whole number of parts. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 parts. So if 11 parts is equal to 220, we can work out that 1 part by dividing is going to be equal to 220 divided by 11, which gives us 20. So now we have the value for each part and we can tell you how much C has. I think as C has £20 less than A, first let's work out A. A's got 4 parts, so that represents 4 times 20, which is 80. We now know instantly that C will have £60, and you can just double check that B also has 3 segments. So that's 3 times £20 to make £60 again. Okay, so you can just do a quick check at the end and see that in total we have £200. We've got this ratio between A and B of 4 to 3, where each part is worth £20. And finally, we've got A that has £20 more than C. So we're finished.